some grease. From your ass.
That looks like it's like right in your face. Like it's swimming towards you. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Jobnisha. And you see what it say. Like, comment, subscribe. Get to know me. Check out my channel, girl. I'm lit. Okay. Black Girl 2 Live. Follow me on IG. Stop playing. Okay, so we're gonna go to the Rainforest Café. This is gonna be AJ's first time going. Babe, this your first time too, right? I've been here a long time ago on a field trip. AJ, hey baby. We're at the Rainforest Café in Sawgrass. Drop and see.
They live on different types of animals, but also collect fruit, honey, eggs, snails, termites, and caterpillars for food.
I definitely don't like snakes. AJ wanna eat everything. How do you open it?
You gotta show.
Okay, look, AJ, here. Now don't eat this. Look. Baby. Look. Maybe you're not right. We have to edit it out.
That's him acting a little spoiled. Get it out, boy.
Well, this is upside down. Look, AJ. Okay. AJ, look. Look. You gotta hold it in your hand. Hold it. This boy. What are we gonna do with it? Maybe he don't like red. Maybe he like green. Yeah, the tree should be green anyway.
Hello, y'all. How are you?
Hi.
My name is Mr. Right. Take care.
How you doing, man?
What's good?
The chicken ain't got no flavor though. It's just like they just cook the chicken. They ain't put nothing on it. Oh my god. I gotta bleep that out.
Like me coming in good. Put some season on it. Season on everything. Now I tell you, everything.
But you know, even Trick Daddy, he did an interview. He was saying like, when you trying to please the public, you got to make changes. Like, you know how when we went to his restaurant at first, like everything was like season, like season, like.
It was salty.
Well, it wasn't like salty to me, but it was good. But yeah, my mama did say it was salty. Yeah, Jordan was like complaining about the macaroni and cheese, like who seasons your macaroni and cheese, but. But back to what I was saying, it was good.
That's a big boom.
So that was our fun day out as a family. So right now, AJ is still on a bottle. He is not trying to eat food. We try to feed him, but he just spit it out for some reason. The food was good. I'm trying to get in the habit of eating a salad when I go out or eating something healthy versus eating chicken all the time, which is what I always get. That's my go-to. So when the bill came, it was like, okay, this salad was really $26, but my boyfriend paid it all. But he was just like, babe, you could make your own salad. So I went home and made my own salad. It came out real good. AJ, you see this? You see this snake right here? You see that?